Judgment came out against the former Prime Minister of Pakistan, the founder of Pakistani Tehreek-e-Insaf, a popular party, and also his aide Shah Mehmood Qureshi. Both were convicted of the case of leaking secret document into the public rally. Basically, as per the court, it was declared a 10-year imprisonment for the former Pakistani Prime Minister and also for his aide Shah Mehmood Qureshi. Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. This is Mustafin Arshad, advocate in Pakistan and also a solicitor in the UK. Welcome to our YouTube channel and TikTok channel, Advocate Arshad Javed Associates. Today our topic is a very interesting topic. Basically, a judgment came out against the former Prime Minister of Pakistan, the founder of Pakistani Tehreek-e-Insaf, a popular party, and also his aide Shah Mehmood Qureshi. Both were convicted of the case of leaking secret document into the public rally. Basically, as per the court, it was declared a 10-year imprisonment for the former Pakistani Prime Minister and also for his aide Shah Mehmood Qureshi. I have a bit of opinion about it as a lawyer myself. I feel like this is one of the bizarre judgments, but also a lesson learned that the judiciary have the power to make a decision against something which has been carried out politically motivated or also against the law. There's a negative opinion about it and there is a positive opinion about it. Let's go through the negative opinion. Why is it a negative that this case was just before the general elections on the 8th of February, the court have decided to punish the former Prime Minister and the Shah Mehmood Qureshi by stating that they have did a crime by losing the Cypher and also by leaking the secret of this Cypher, which is under this Official Secrets Act, states that you cannot allow to do that, and it affects the Pakistan's economy. Pakistan's political scenario gets disturbed, and many of the international dignitaries, they get affected by it. That why a prime minister like this have released or official document, a secret document in front of the public. So basically a negative opinion in that sense that this case has not followed the protocol of law. Basically, there are rules and procedures on how to carry and execute a trial, which unfortunately in this case neither the judge or the lawyers took a proper interest. In my sense, the Imran Khan lawyers, they did a pretty good job by defending him, but unfortunately they were circumstances with which you can tell that they were deliberately trying to delay the trial until the general elections of 8th of February. But at the same time, the judge was not taking this, and then he asked the state councils to present Imran Khan, because Imran Khan councils were not present at the court to carry out the cross-examination, and this was a very sensitive and delicate case. Unfortunately, the Imran Khan side, they didn't plan it well, and due to that, they ended up putting themselves in a big terrible position, in which judge then asked the other side to carry out the cross examinations from the defense side, and those cross examinations, you can all tell that out of I think 12 or 18 witnesses were there, and they never really did a proper cross-examination, which a defense lawyer should have done. This was like a 5 minutes of cross-examination, which was, by the way, a mockery of law. It's really pathetic to see that we're living in a world where a judge and the lawyers are not carrying out their duties as per law. However, as the positive side, this was to uphold the rule of law. If the Secrets Act was released, then no one is above the law. The former Prime Minister Shah Mehmood Qureshi can be found guilty. But as I said, the procedure was too quick to decide, but it could have taken time. And I feel like if they have taken time, then eventually Imran Khan, the former Prime Minister, and Shah Mehmood Qureshi could be facing serious circumstances, probably 10 years, not maybe 14 or 50 years of jail time, if it was carried out in a proper protocol of law. Unfortunately, that did not happen, but still, he has been convicted, and both are convicted for 10 years of imprisonment, and now probably they will obviously go to the Islamabad High Court for an appeal. And then most likely this sentence will be set aside, but in my opinion it will be set aside after general elections are happened, when everything will be done, and that's when you will see that all this heavy pressure on the former Prime Minister Shah Mehmood Qureshi will calm down, because elections are happened, people have voted, and then they will see who will be the Prime Minister. So in terms of these things, I think this was an important case, a sensitive case, and a precedent has been set, but unfortunately a bit of mockery of law. There was a rule of law, but at the same time the protocol of law was not followed. So unfortunately it is not a good day for the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, and also for the judiciary and law side, because all the lawyers or the judges will have to now face this precedent in the future, and it has been a part of history that this case has taken this kind of turn. But anyways, this was my opinion, and thank you for listening to to us, and please do subscribe our channel, and if you require any other information, do let us know. Our information is in our bio. Thank you very much.